Ho ho ho! Today we're drawing Santa's sleigh, the magical ride that delivers presents around the world. Grab your pencil and let's fly into the holiday spirit. Start by drawing a big curved shape for the sleigh's body, kind of like a giant candy cane lying down. Now draw runners underneath. Those are the curved sled pieces that glide on snow. Let's add a big seat for Santa and a tall backrest with swirly designs. Don't forget a big bag of presents in the back, full of surprises. You can draw reins reaching forward, and if you want, even reindeer in the sky. Add snowflakes, stars, or a full moon above. It's a magical night. Now it's time to color your sleigh. Use bright red for the sleigh, gold or yellow for the trim, and brown for the runners. Santa's seat can be green, and the gift bag can be any color you like. Make the background snowy with white, blue, and sparkly stars. You can even add a trail of glittery stardust behind the sleigh. And we're finished! Your Santa's sleigh is ready to take off and spread holiday joy around the world. Great job, little elf! Your drawing is full of Christmas cheer. Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hey awesome artists! Today we're drawing a super cool monster truck with giant wheels and powerful engines. Grab your pencil and let's roll! Let's start with a big rectangle. That's the body of the truck. Now draw two huge wheels, way bigger than regular ones. Add some extra details on the wheels, like spikes or deep treads. Let's draw the windows, lights, and a cool exhaust pipe. You can even add flames on the side or a number like a racing car. Want to draw crushing cars or flying through the air? Let your wild ideas drive it. Time to color your monster machine. Let's use bold colors red, black, neon green, or orange. Color the wheels dark gray or black, and add some fun patterns on the body, like lightning bolts or stars. Make the background a dirt track, or even a jumping ramp with fireworks. And that's it, your monster truck is ready to race, jump, and crush everything in its path. Great job, champ! You built a true beast of a truck. Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hello, little dreamers! Today we're drawing a magic carpet, ready to fly through the sky on a magical adventure. Grab your pencil and hold on tight. Start by drawing a long rectangle with slightly curved sides. That makes it look like it's floating. Now add little tassels or fringe on each corner. Let's draw a beautiful pattern inside, maybe diamonds, stars, or swirls. You can also draw someone sitting on the carpet, maybe you. Add some clouds below, a moon, or even a palace bar in the distance. This isn't just any rug. It's full of magic. Let's color your magic carpet with bright, royal colors like purple, gold, red, or blue. The patterns can be colorful and sparkling. Color the sky around it, maybe sunset orange, night blue, or full of stars. You can even add glitter details or rainbow trails behind it. And we're done! Your magic carpet is ready to soar through fairy tale skies. Wonderful job, little wizard! Your drawing is full of wonder. Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hi, sweet artists! Today we're drawing an ice cream truck, the happiest truck on the street. Grab your pencil and let's scoop up some fun. Start with a big rectangle. That's the body of the truck. Now draw the wheels underneath, nice and round. Add a window on the side where ice cream is served, and a big door in the front. Let's draw a giant ice cream cone on the roof, yum! You can also add a speaker, some decorations, and maybe a sign that says ice cream. Want to draw kids lining up or sprinkles falling from the sky? Go for it! Now it's time to add some tasty colors. Ice cream trucks are usually bright and fun. Try pink, mint green, yellow, or sky blue. The wheels can be black, the window light blue, and the big ice cream cone whatever flavor you like. Strawberry, chocolate, rainbow swirl, you choose. Don't forget to color the background. Maybe it's a hot summer day in the park. And we're done! Your ice cream truck is ready to bring smiles and scoops to everyone in town. Great job, little dessert designer! Can you guess what we'll draw next? Ahoy, little pirates! Today we're drawing a mighty pirate ship sailing the seas in search of treasure. Get your pencils ready, adventure awaits! Let's start by drawing a big curved line like a banana. That's the bottom of the ship. Now add a straight line on top. This makes the deck. Draw a tall mast in the middle and add big triangle sails on both sides. Don't forget the pirate flag with a skull and crossbones at the top. Add little windows, cannons on the side, and maybe a rope ladder for climbing. Want to draw treasure chests, parrots, or even a kraken in the waves? Let your pirate imagination run wild. Now it's time to color. Most pirate ships are brown with white or black sails, but yours can be any color you like. Make the flag black with a white skull or invent your own pirate symbol. Color the water deep blue and add orange for a sunset or gray clouds for a stormy sky. Maybe your ship is sailing near a secret island. And we're done! Your pirate ship is ready to sail the 7 seas and find hidden treasure. Great job, Captain! You're now the ruler of the ocean. Can you guess what we'll draw next?